Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Power on the LG Smart TV and the Bluetooth device, then set the device into pairing mode so it's discoverable. Open Settings, go to Sound, select Sound Out, choose Bluetooth speaker list to start scanning. You do this now because the TV only finds devices while scanning. If you wait, pairing windows can close. Once the TV shows the device, select it to initiate pairing and connection. Continue by selecting the discovered device name in the Bluetooth speaker list. You'll see a connecting animation or prompt that you must confirm. Accept any pairing request that appears on the TV or on your accessory. This secures the link and prevents accidental connections. Once paired, make sure the TV's audio output is set to the Bluetooth accessory so sound routes correctly. If latency or dropouts occur, try repairing or move the device closer to reduce interference and improve stability. To finish, play a short video or audio track to confirm audio is coming from the Bluetooth device. Adjust both TV and accessory volumes to get balanced sound. If connection fails, remove the Bluetooth device from the TV's paired list, then reinitiate pairing. This resolves most pairing glitches. If audio is still missing, restart both the TV and the accessory and retry pairing. Often a reboot clears software states. Troubleshooting tip: if you experience lag, use wired or low.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.